We built this city on rock and roll. What's up, you guys? Oh my goodness. The playing cards. Jeez, oh Pete. As I'm recording this right now, the Kickstarter is at $1,565,699 in pledges. That is the most insane. I'm flabbergasted, you guys. It's at 18,000 backers. The support that you guys came out and just bomb dropped on me was the most unexpected, amazing, incredible, unimaginable thing ever. I had no idea this kind of thing was even possible. I don't even know what to say. It's insane. But there's a few updates that I really wanted to let you guys know about. You know, I've been updating on the Kickstarter page through the creator updates thing. I've been putting out Instagram stories and Instagram posts. But this project started on YouTube. It flourished on YouTube, and I gotta let my YouTube viewers know about a few things that are going on behind the scenes with the Kickstarter. For those of you guys that are just itching for like some different kinds of 1000 videos, my next video that's coming out is a very, very cool, very special mural video with a couple of really special guests that I'm collaborating with. So I'm really, really excited to share that with you guys. But let me update you guys on a few things that's going on with the Kickstarter. Stretch goals. Actually, for those of you that are the type of people that don't like to stick around to the end of the video, let me just say right now, straight off the bat, that there will be a couple of brand new, very, very, very rare editions of the Vivid Kingdoms deck that I'll be talking about at the end of this video. No reason for me to bury the lead. Stay tuned for that. Okay, stretch goals. The first one we unlocked is that now the King's Blood edition, which is the special one that's only available on Kickstarter, has numbered foil seals. The little foil sticker that seals the cards closed. Hold on, let me show you. Let's see, can you see that? That little sticker right there is gonna be a custom seal that's always been that way, but now on the King's Blood edition, it's gonna be numbered, so you'll know exactly which number in the sequence you got. We unlocked that, baby. Another one that we unlocked is that every single backer on Kickstarter is gonna get free stickers. For those of you who have a pledge that's $80 or more, you're gonna get all 12 of the court cards, Jack, King, Queen of every suit as a die cut sticker. That $80 is your pledge plus your add-on. Shipping is not included in that. And for those of you under that $80 threshold, you're gonna get 2 random ones thrown in there. Free stickers are always good. I've been getting quotes on these stickers just to throw stickers into all of you guys' orders. The quotes are coming back at like $20,000. So consider that my gift to you. Thank you guys. Running a Kickstarter is pretty crazy. Behind the scenes, I'm on like video calls all day. I'm talking to this manufacturer. I'm talking to this manufacturer. I'm working with like 7 different manufacturers. Literally the past 2 weeks of my life have just been like not making much art, just emailing people, video calling people. When I launched this project, I was like, oh, I got the infrastructure in place. I got a shipping warehouse next door. We ship out orders all the time. And then it grew so much that now it's like, man, I better get my ducks in a row here and just scale up everything. And it's really fun and really exciting and really stressful and super crazy. So this is gonna be fun, guys. I mean, I added up all of the things that I had to sign on like day 4 of the Kickstarter, and it was at like 10,000 individual items that I will be signing. I don't even know what it's at right now. I haven't added it up since then, but I'm kind of scared to look at what that number is. But every single signature represents a person out there that supported these playing cards, that supported the YouTube video series, that supports me and my art. And though it will be a gauntlet, and though my hand may be hurting, I'm just gonna try to remember every single signature is a person who has just incredibly supported me. So I am happy to suffer for you guys. Next thing I really wanted to let you guys know about is that new apparel is on the Kickstarter as an add-on. I put out a poll and I was like, hey, you guys, I've been getting tons of requests to do like court card images on the shirt just by themselves, but I can't produce like literally like 30 different kinds of garments. So I had you guys vote. I had you guys help me narrow it down. I chose the winners. So we're doing the Jack of Spades as a black t-shirt, as a white t-shirt. It's available as a pullover hoodie or a zip-up hoodie, and it's available as a long sleeve. Jack of Spades, killing the game. Everybody loves the Jack of Spades. I'm gonna be sending out surveys when the Kickstarter is done, asking for people's size on the garments, asking, you know, do you want the black shirt? Do you want the white shirt? Do you want the pullover hoodie? Do you want the zip-up hoodie? There's gonna be questions about like if you got the Giclée prints, like which ones you want. If you ended up getting the signatures on the deck of cards and you ordered like multiple decks of cards, like which ones do you want me to sign? All that stuff is gonna be done through surveys because that's how Kickstarter works. So that's all gonna go out at the end of the campaign, along with your most current and accurate shipping address, because this is gonna take some time to manufacture and some of you might move. So the surveys will handle all that. Kickstarter is a tricky beast. Queen of Spades is gonna be on a black t-shirt and a white t-shirt. Ace of Spades, black t-shirt, white t-shirt. Queen of Diamonds is available. Black and white, King of Hearts, and King of Spades. Those were the top selections. I thought I was just gonna do like 2 extra, but I was like, you know what? We do it big or we don't do it at all. So if you've already pledged and already backed the Vivid Kingdoms playing cards on Kickstarter, you go in there, you choose to edit your pledge, everything will stay the same, and then you just go to the add-on section. You can add on a t-shirt if you so desire. All this stuff that I'm talking about right now, 100% optional. But for the folks that really want the t-shirts or were really, really interested in like, man, I just need that Queen of Diamonds on a white t-shirt, you can go in there, edit your pledge, add it on. Another update, the Vivid Kingdoms t-shirt, that's been on there since day one. This design is on the back. There's a cool little Ace of Diamonds on the chest. This is available in maroon now too. I kind of pulled my patrons. They were like, oh, we want it on maroon. We like that. So there you go. The Vivid Kingdoms hoodie with the sleeve prints and the chest prints. Now it's available on this beautiful and lush peach hoodie. I've actually done these peach hoodies with another garment in the past. They sold out like instantly. They are beautiful. Like the pictures don't do them justice. Regal pastel, super heavyweight, 10.5 ounce hoodie, ultra soft, ultra cozy. Those Michigan winters, I'll just be rocking that. Steady, baby. We got it in peach, we got it in black. Options, all those options are gonna be on the survey. If you already ordered a hoodie through Kickstarter, you don't need to do anything. It's just that when you get your survey, you're like, ooh, I'd really like that peach versus the black. Same with any of the shirts. Like if you want the white, if you want the black, that's all done through the surveys. We also just added the long sleeve version of the Vivid Kingdoms tee. That was not available before. It is available now. Sleeve prints, front print, back print, swag. Also, I forgot to mention those sticker packs I was talking about a little bit ago. Some folks were hitting me up and they're like, that's really cool that you're giving us some for free, but what if I want 1 or 2 extra sticker packs? Can I just add those? Those are available in your add-ons. Another optional add-on is we got Enamel Pins. This is the little worker elf featured on the 9 of Spades and the 5 of Spades. I'm gonna sauce up my little denim jacket here and just rock some Vivid Kingdoms pins. So there's that one available, and then there's also the Queen of Diamonds enamel pin 1.5 inch. Those are available as add-ons. 100% optional, 100% dope. Get in where you fit in. There's one more thing I want to tell you about before I announce the brand new special versions of the Vivid Kingdoms deck. And that is that there is a brand new 1000 subreddit. And over on the 1000 subreddit, r/1000, there's a fan fiction contest going on. You can submit your lore and your fan fictions about the Vivid Kingdoms decks. There's a ton of like super sweet community posts over here. People making up their own lore. I even wrote one myself. I had a blast doing it, but I'm gonna choose some winners from all these fan fiction submissions, some of my personal favorites, and send you guys like a Vivid Kingdoms goodie box with like some random decks of cards in there and some other sweet stuff, some apparel. So if you wanna come up with your own story, maybe about the Queen of Diamonds, maybe about the entire suit of clubs, maybe about the deck in general, there's a ton of crazy lore going over here on the 1000 subreddit. Submit your fan fiction if you want. But the main reason why I made this whole video was to announce to you guys there is 2 new ultra rare versions of the Vivid Kingdoms deck coming out. The first one, oh, let me pull up this picture. Boom. This is the collector's edition of the Vivid Kingdoms deck. It has gilded gold edges and it has windows cut out in the special sleeve and the special tuck box so that it reveals the gilded edges. There's gonna be some folks who never wanna take the plastic off of this thing because it's gonna be pretty dang rare, and I wanted people to still be able to appreciate the gilded edges even if they don't take the plastic off. So there's only gonna be 2,500 of these decks decks ever made. They're gonna be releasing tomorrow. Actually, I don't know when this video is gonna be edited and come out. So they're gonna be out tomorrow. The date and time are gonna be like right here. You can go on to Kickstarter at exactly that time, add these onto your pledge. They're gonna be available specifically through the add-ons. This is the tuck case without the sleeve on it. That's the back of it. Ooh, dang. I'm just so hyped on these. This is the tuck case, the front of it without the sleeve on. Here's just the actual like design file of the tuck case. So this is with the outer sleeve on there. Like this black area is the outer sleeve. And then when I hide the outer sleeve, that's the new design for the tuck case itself. The collector's edition, only 2,500 available. So excited about this. That guy, Alexandre, the guy from France who's been doing all those super epic renders for me, made this amazing render. He is like such an invaluable asset. Go follow him on Instagram. Show this man some love. He's been just killing it on the renders. The collector's edition deck is gonna be $40, and I am hoping that there will be a reseller's market around these. Once that these collector's edition decks sell out, I'm hoping to see some pop up on eBay for a good deal more than what people paid for them. And then finally, lastly, is the deck that maybe I'm the most excited about because it is a very, very rare, very, very special version of Vivid Kingdoms. And that is the Golden Ticket Edition deck. Now, what I'm gonna do with these decks is I'm gonna produce 1,000 of these decks. And the way that you get your hands on these decks is that I'm gonna slip them randomly into people who backed the Kickstarter project. Every single backer who backed the project on Kickstarter has these orders coming. Maybe it's one deck of cards, maybe it's like a ton of stuff. I'm gonna randomly select those orders and place a golden ticket deck inside of random orders. There's 1,000 golden ticket decks. They're gonna go into 1,000 lucky people's orders. Right now, let's see, there's like 18,000 backers on Kickstarter, roughly. So you have a 1 in 18 chance of getting a golden ticket. I don't know how many backers there will be at the end of the Kickstarter. There's about 2 weeks left to go. We're about halfway through the campaign. 1,000 golden ticket decks will be slipped randomly into 1,000 orders. I kind of hope that we hit 20,000 backers. That way I can take like a D20 die and every 20 orders just like roll it and be like, oh, looks like order number 7 is getting the golden ticket. But if not, I'll just use like a random number generator. We'll put them into like batches of like 20 or whatever. Hit the random number generator on each batch. That's who gets the golden ticket. There's only 1,000 of these. So hopefully these decks are gonna be pretty freaking valuable on the aftermarket if you get your hands on one. I'm producing all these decks and giving them away to people absolutely free just as a thank you for the incredible support. If you want your chance at getting your hands on the golden ticket deck, you can back the Kickstarter at any level. You will be a backer at that point, and you will have a chance at having a golden ticket deck placed into your package that's gonna get sent out to you. Very exciting. Oh, it's like Willy Wonka, baby. So the special edition, gilded edges, brand new tuck box, really rare, will be out tomorrow. That's what I really wanted to let you guys know about. This is all so insane, so exciting. Thank you all so much for supporting this deck. It was just like such an insane labor of love to create all these cards. I basically went from knowing next to nothing about collectors playing cards, and through you guys' feedback, through talking to experts, through doing a ton of research, I feel like I've gained so much knowledge on custom playing cards. I feel like I've connected even more closely with this amazing community here on YouTube. You guys have given me so much awesome feedback, you've given me so much awesome support. It's insane. $1.5 million. Bro. This is huge. Thank you guys. Thank you. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the collector's edition deck. Let me know in the comments what you think of the special golden ticket edition deck. Are you excited? I'm excited. All right, y'all, I'm 1000. Mural video coming up next. Very, very special. We're gonna have a break from the damn playing cards. All right, y'all. Peace out. I'll catch you on the next one.